Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, we're going to talk about the words what, who, when, why, and where in English. I recently learned something new, and I'm really excited to share it with you all. These words are very important because they help us ask questions and understand the answers we get. I'll explain each of them in a simple way, and then we'll go through some examples so you can see how to use them in real-life situations. Ready? Let's get started. What is used to ask about things or actions? We use what when we want to know what something is or what is happening. It's one of the most common question words in English. Examples. What is your name? Here, we use what to ask for someone's name. What do you like to do? We use what to ask about someone's hobbies or interests. What time is it? This is a common question to ask about the time of the day. What is your favorite color? Here, we are asking about someone's favorite color. Quick tip. Did you know you can also use what to ask about definitions? Like, what is a computer? Now let's move on to who. Who is used when we want to know who is doing something or who a person is. It can refer to a specific person or a group of people. Examples. Who are you? This is a basic question asking about someone's identity. Who is your best friend? Here, we want to know who someone's best friend is. Who did you see at the party? In this example, we want to know which people the person saw at the party. Who is calling? This is a common question when someone is on the phone. Quick tip. Did you know you can use who for professions too? Like, who is the teacher? When is used for asking about time. We use when we want to know when something is going to happen or when something happened. It can be used to talk about past, present, or future events. Examples. When is your birthday? Here we're asking about an important date or event. When do you usually wake up? We use when to ask about daily habits or routines. When did the movie start? This is asking about the start time of a past event, the movie. When are we going to the park? This is asking about plans for the future. Why is used to ask for reasons. We use why when we want to know why something happened or why something is a certain way. We use why to ask about reasons or causes. Examples. Why are you sad? This is asking for the reason someone is feeling sad. Why did you eat the cake? Here, we're asking for the reason behind the action of eating the cake. Why is the sky blue? This is asking about the scientific reason behind something in nature. Why are we late? Here, we're asking for the reason we're late. Quick tip. Did you know you can use why to ask for deeper explanations? Like, why is the Earth round? Where is used for asking about places or locations. Where is used when we want to know where something or someone is. It's used to ask about the location of people, things, or events. Examples. Where do you live? This is asking where someone lives or where their home is. Where is my book? We use where to ask about the location of something specific, like a book. Where are you from? This is asking someone's place of origin or nationality. Where is the supermarket? We use where to ask for the location of a specific place, in this case, the supermarket. Quick tip. Did you know you can use where to ask about events? Like, where is the concert? Summary. So, today we learned how to use the question words what, who, when, why, and where. Here's a quick review. What is used to ask about things or situations? Who is used to ask about people? When is used to ask about time? Why is used to ask for reasons? Where is used to ask about places or locations? I have a little challenge for you. Try to create one question using each of these words. What, who, when, why, and where. Please write it down in the comments.